What is up, guys? It is Jackal Smack. Let me shut the door. Okay, so guys, there's an error happening. So let me just go on my account and let me show you what is happening. So first off, it won't even let you sign in to PlayStation. This is basically what happens when it has this error code. And if you try to sign into the network, just test the internet, right? It says failed error 33352-6. So, what you want to do for this, it's an easy fix, really easy fix. And it will also say no online status, it won't do anything. So, you want to press turn off PS4, not rest mode, turn off the PS4. And wait till it's done. Wait till it's all the way done. Shutting off. I'll turn my light on. So, wait till it's all the way done. Okay, so it's shut off. Just wait about 5 seconds. Okay, so now what you want to do, right? You want to hold it down until you hear 2 beeps. 1, 2. Okay, so once you have done that, this should come up on the screen. And if you have any charger, like any, hold on guys. If you have any Samsung charger, just like plug it into the PlayStation and turn on your controller. So what you guys want to do from here, right? It's pretty easy. Just go down to rebuild database. This will not delete anything. This will not delete anything. It just takes the data and like puts it in a different place. That's all it's doing. And it says it might take a few hours. Nah, guys, it's not going to take a few hours. It's going to take like 2 minutes. Just press OK. What up, y'all? Y'all can see me through the TV. What y'all claiming? Like, come on now. I was just trying to play some Madden 20. That's my old 2K, by the way. Oh. Okay. So once it turns back on, it should say rebuilding database. And it should be taking about 60 seconds. The PS4 should be blinking blue. It should not be white yet. If it's white, then there's a problem with your PlayStation. And by the way, I'm sick. This is not for anything else, okay? I am sick. So, I just blow my nose in this. You don't have to see that. That is not for nothing inappropriate. And my brother's crying. So, turn on your PlayStation. It should be white now. This should be white. So, turn on your PlayStation. Go onto your account. And if it says you don't have PlayStation Plus, that's because you're not signed in. So, see now, it says I have 175 friends online. And I'm all connected. And I'm going to test my internet. Just to show you guys it works. And bang. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry for my brother crying, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Peace out, y'all. Gang gang.